Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to set image duration on TikTok. If you also want to learn how you can, then make sure you keep watching this video. Now before you get into the video, subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications because we upload videos like this. In order to not miss videos, make sure you hit the bell button. Now head over to the TikTok app. Now tap on this plus icon to post the pictures. Now along with the photos you need to select a video to be able to get the image duration option. So select any video, it doesn't matter what kind of video it is. Now you can tap on next. Now all you need to do is tap on advanced editing. Now here you can adjust the length of the photos. Along with that you need to remove the video that you've selected if you don't want to include a video in this TikTok. You can tap on the video and then tap on delete. Now you can simply move the video, or you can also split it and remove it. After that is done, you can tap on save and you can see that you've just set the image duration on TikTok. So that's gonna be all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also share and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today's video, and I'll be back soon with more interesting videos similar to this.